Hello and welcome. In this session, I will demonstrate how to activate a Crypto Mobile Pass license in an ATRIUM crypto system. But before I begin, a bit of good news. CDVI provides 5 free Mobile Pass credentials in each ATRIUM system. They are fully functional and ready to go. Additional Mobile Pass credentials are loaded in the system by activating a Crypto Mobile Pass license, the AMC25 license card. Each license adds 25 credentials in the ATRIUM system.
So I've logged into the ATRIUM web interface as the installer user. It's very easy to determine how many credentials are available in your system. Simply hover over the user installer at the top right hand corner of the screen here, and the pop-up window displays the Mobile Pass license status. It's okay. The number of available credentials currently in the system that can be sent to phones, and any pending credentials. Pending credentials are Mobile Pass credentials that have been sent by email or text message, but the phone itself has yet to be scanned at a crypto reader in the system. In this system, as we can see, I currently have 5 available Mobile Passes. These are the 5 free Mobile Passes provided with every system. They are fully functional credentials. I'll be adding an AMC25 Mobile Pass license to the system to increase the total available credentials to 30. In order to add the new license, I must be in expert mode. This mode will activate the license menu item. Click on the user installer and switch to expert mode.
If you are logged in as a system administrator, select standard mode.
Then you simply click on the configuration menu and select license. Here we see the original Mobile Pass license in the system. Now I will be adding to that now by clicking the plus sign on the right hand corner here and choosing load license from card. The crypto reader you select here will begin flashing twice red and twice green to indicate it is waiting for the license card. You have 30 seconds to present and scan the card at the reader before it times out. Simply present and hold the license card until the reader turns green for 2 seconds. Upon successful scan of the license card, a window pops up indicating the license has been added and displays the new total amount of credentials, which in this system has increased to 30.
Here are some key points to keep in mind. Mobile Pass credentials use the phone's Bluetooth or NFC technology to communicate with the crypto Bluetooth readers at your doors. One phone can have multiple credentials for different ATRIUM systems. The ATRIUM system that you might have at the office, at the physical fitness center, or even at your daycares. As we just saw, activating a Crypto Mobile Pass license is straightforward and user-friendly, just how I like it. And the next video shows how to send a Mobile Pass to a phone. So thanks for watching, and bye-bye.